Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create new scribe. So after opening Vedioscribe, it will show you interface like this. Now click on create a new scribe. Now clicking on create new scribe, this will show you the interface like this. So this is the canvas and this is the timeline. And from this section, you can save your project. You can also save as, you can cut, copy and paste. And you can also add music in it. And if you want to, you can also do voiceover in it. And if you want to change the background, then you can also do it. And if you want to change hands in it, you can also do it from here. And it will play a video from the start. If you add multiple assignment, like if you add 10 elements in, then it will play video from the first element to up to 10 element. And this play button only apply for when you are working on, like let's assume you are working on frame 4 or canvas 4. Then if you click on this button, only the canvas 4 will be playable. And this share button is for download your video. You can also share them online if you want. And this is about button. We already seen what is about. So let's now add the element like picture. And you can see here we have lots of categories, like it has a inbuilt database, elements like icons, mathematics, music, outline, characters, and lots of elements. So for now, let's add this Superman because I think it looks really cool. Now Superman is on our canvas. So if you want to resize it, you can also resize it like this from this corner button. Don't do it from here, because you do it, it will be extend like this and it looks really weird. And if you want to rotate this Superman like this, then you can also rotate like this in 360 direction like this. And this section for to know your canvas, like if I click on this forward button, then it will canvas move by in forward direction. And if I click on this downward button, then canvas will be move on downward side. If I click on this left arrow, then it will move, canvas will be move in left direction. If I click on this right arrow, then it will move on right direction. And this minus magnifying glass is for to zoom out your image, and this plus magnifying glass is for to zoom in your image. And this will expand your image or expand your canvas. So we already seen from here we can add images, and from here we can add text in it. Like you have to put like anything, like I want to type randomly. And you can also add font in it. By default it comes with really good fonts like this. And if you want to change the type of font, like light, black, regular, thin, you can also do that. If you want to put your font in the center, in the left hand, then you can also choose this button. If you want to put your font text in the middle, then you can also do that. And if you want to put your font in the right side, then you can also do that. And if you want to change the color of it, then click on this button and let's choose the red one, and it will also show you the hex code of or the color code of it. And click on this button, and you can see our font of color is changed. And if you want to add more fonts, then you can also add it from here. Now click on the check button, then you can see our font is on the screen. And you can also as like image, we can also resize it by dragging these corner icons like this. And we can also rotate in the 360 direction like this. And this is the chart button. You can, from here you can add charts like bar, pie, line. And if you want to give some labels for it, you can also give it. For now, let's give like a hero, and the data value should be 100. And I want to chart type should be bar and in color format. And from label font, you can choose different types of font like this. Let's choose anyone. And label location, like you can choose inside, outside, and none. By default is inside, so let's put it inside. And if you want to increase the border thickness, you can also increase like this. Now click on check mark button, then you can see here our bar is added. And if you want, you can add multiple types of chart like bar, pie, and line. Let's add the pie, and let's this one be his power, and power is like 100%. we want in color. Yes, we want in color. And let's click this check mark. Now this pie chart is on the screen, and let's drag this like this. Okay, now you can see here in this timeline section we have like 4 images. Like we first we added the Superman image, that's why it's showing me first. And if I want to change the arrangement of them, and if I want to change the location of this text like in 3rd position, I can do that. Like just click on this text button and just drag it like on 3rd position, and that's how you can change the position of it. And you can see here we have some options like view element camera position. If you want to lock this element, you can also lock that. If you lock it, then position will be not change, because if you keep in 3rd position and if it is locked, then it is not going to change. And from here you can also change the properties of element, like it should be draw, or it should be move on, or it can be fade in. For now, let's choose draw. And you can, if you want to draw in reverse direction, you can also draw it by clicking on this button. And you can also change the opacity from here, and if you want to rotate, you can also rotate from here. And this is the animated time, it's the pause time, and it is the transition time. And it is also showing it will take 2.9 seconds total time to do all of these things. And from this text button you can add more text, or if you want to change this text to something else, you can also change that. Like I will give a name of hero like Superman, and font, I will change the font, and I also change the color of font into blue. And here is a cool trick. If you want to change only the color of the man, just select this part and go into colors, and I will choose red. Then the selected part is now in red, and from here I want in semi-bold, so this is now in semi-bold. From graphics filter you can add blur in it. If you want to add glow, you can also do that. If you want to add brightness, saturation and contrast, then you can also add that. If you want to add some shadow in it, so you can also add like drop shadow, inner shadow. And if you want to add bevel, you can also do that. And if you want to add like this image should be drawn into right hand, you can also do that by choosing this button. And if you want to if you want to draw your image from left hand, you can also choose that. And if you want to draw your image into without no hand, you can also click this no hand option. And there is also really weird features like the image is drawn by fly, and image is also drawn by zip. And there is also lots of hands like pens, roses, Matt, Hannah, Mike. I think those are the name of the hand models, that's why it's showing me. And if you go into like Jacob, and it will only show you the left hands, and in it you have pen, pencil, markers, and also the brush, eraser, and the highlighters, and those kind of things. And there is also a move in like fingers, and it will only move use for the moves if you want to move your image. And if you want to create a new hand, you can add your left hand, right hand in it, and you can create that. But I will not gonna recommend it because by default we have lots of hands from hand models, so we are gonna choose them. For now, let's choose this white marker. Now it is showing me some preview hand, like how it is gonna be draw your elements. Now click on this check mark, and let's cancel this. Now we added some elements like charts, bar chart, pie chart, and we also add Superman and also text. Now let's play it from the start. Do you notice the one thing? When this is image drawing, there is a like watermarks like Vedioscribe trial version. If you are using trial version, it will be show you, and when you render or when you download it, it is also gonna come with it. So I'm gonna recommend you to purchase this software. If I click on this third element, that is text, and if I play this button, then it is gonna play from here and up to end. Like if I play this, then it is gonna first draw the text, then it is gonna draw the pie chart like this, and at the end it is zooming out uh, because of this zoom at end. If I unclick this button, it is not gonna zoom at end. Do you notice the one weird thing when we play this video or a scribe? You can see the image is automatically zooming out, and we don't want that, and it is looks weird. So how to fix that? So what you have to do is that select your elements, like I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna click this camera position. By clicking on this button, it will only camera will be come here, and it will be not gonna zoom out. And we have to do it for all the elements. Like I have to also do it for Superman, and also for this pie chart, and also for this text. And if I play this, then it is gonna look different. You can see the difference. The camera is not zooming out because we set the camera position. So those are all the basics of Vedioscribe, how to create your first scribe. And if you want to download it, just click on this share button and click on this download. If you want to share it online like Vimeo platform, or if you want to convert into PPT, you can also convert into PPT. And you can also get a sharing link like this. And if I click on this, it will show you the formats. Like by default it is QuickTime Movie, but I will choose like movie WMV, and the resolution should be 1080p, but we are using free trial version. That's why it is gonna by default it is set up to like 640, and you can also increase the frame rates up to 20. And if you want to give name, like let's give a name Superman, and this is the file location. At this location the video is gonna download, or it is available for you. Now click on this button, and it will take some time to render it. I will fast forward it in video editing process. I'm gonna give you one assignment. Like you have to create any scribe like you want, like what you learn from this video, and just tag me on the Twitter or Instagram, and I will look at those scribe, and also tag me with there, so I will look at it, your versions of scribe, and I will also comment on it. So that's your first assignment. After downloading, it is automatically gonna play with your default video player. So that's the output. So those are all the basics of Vedioscribe. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.